I just received my European Nightcrawlers from Jim's Worm Farm, so I wanted to do an unboxing. There we go. See how they package these. I ordered 2 bags of 500 European Nightcrawlers. So there's my 2 bags, and then when I checked out, I got a bonus of 1,000 mealworms. So that's how those came. Cooling pack. Let's see what kind of shape these Nightcrawlers are in. I decided to go with the European Nightcrawlers because they're bigger. They're still good composting Nightcrawlers, but they're a little bit bigger than the red ones. They're not full grown, but they're healthy. They're alive. It's pretty cool in there, temperature-wise. So each bag should have 500 European Nightcrawlers. And then I got, as a bonus, just a little free coupon thing. They sent me 1,000 mealworms, which, oh, they're just in there. Obviously alive, doing well. I hadn't planned on it, but I guess I will start raising those too, feed them to the chickens or fishing or something. But I wanted to see where I'm putting them. I built a very large 12-foot by 3-foot bin, put it off into 2 separate sections. I filled this one up already. Nice cow manure soil mixed with just some organic topsoil, no fertilizers in it. So my worms are getting introduced. Let's see if there's any more in there. Hopefully it's bright enough in here. I don't have a light yet in my barn, but that is a lot of worms. They look good. So I'll just kind of spread them out a little bit. It says not to feed them too much immediately. So what I put in their bedding right now should be enough for a while. I'll just monitor them pretty close. The soil is already pretty damp. You can see it can make a ball. So I'll just add the other bag, and they'll have this huge area. This is enough for them to grow and multiply to a huge amount. So everything from Jim's Worm Farm is looking good. Can't quite open the other bag with my hands taken by the phone, so I'll just dump in the other bag and that'll be it.